Now that you've built a URI matcher, let's go through the detailed end-to-end flow for how data moves from the task database to the to-do list user interface. Let's say that your app is querying for data to display in the UI. First, from the UI code, the app will get a content resolver and call query on it, passing in the URI for the exact provider and data you want to read. Then, the resolver finds the correct task content provider, based on the authority of the passed-in URI, and passes on the query. The provider's query function will then use the URI matcher you've built to decide how to react to the passed-in URI, and determine what kind of data to retrieve, whether that's one row of data, or the directory of all tasks, or some other specific selection. Based on the match, the query function will basically translate the URI and other parameters into the correct SQL code for selecting data. So, using the matcher and the code for your query, the provider will then retrieve the desired data from the underlying database. Then the call travels all the way back to the resolver in your UI code and returns a cursor with that data. And this is how all calls from your UI to the database will function, passing through the provider to reach the database.